All righty, well, let's give them a nice, warm Meadowgreen welcome. Carson Peters and Iron Mountain.
She came to a room where she met her final doom. 'Cause I ain't gonna be treated this old way. This old way. Oh Lord, 'cause I ain't gonna be treated this old way. Rain and snow. She left me out in the cold rain and snow.